Hey, how's it going? My name is David, and we're going to take a look at this 2016 Ram 3500 SLT 4x4 Mega Cab in a maximum steel metallic exterior. This is a beautiful truck, so let's take a closer look. Aw yeah, the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel inline 6 engine is a beast. This is the key fob, nice Ram badge on the back. On here you'll find an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. And this also has remote start. Press this button twice. The first honk means the door's locked, the second honk means it's gonna start. Boom, just like that. Beautiful thing to have in wintertime. Now the Ram 3500 can warm up and be ready to go when you're ready to go. Just hit the unlock button and you can easily hop inside this Ram truck. Spray in bed liner protecting the box. You'll find hooks in all four corners so you can easily tie down your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. Spot for a trailer hitch. On the back bumper, you'll find your 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring harnesses. See these black dots on the back bumper? Those are the rear ParkSense parking sensors, and the backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right there. Flip up tow mirrors with LED turn signal lights. Pressing this button right here will fold the mirrors in because this has power folding in mirrors. Power adjustable driver's seat. Back seat, directional air vents, 12-volt DC power outlet so passengers can charge devices. This being a mega cab, it really shines in the amount of space there is in the back seat. It is absolutely fantastic. Excellent amount of headroom, and footroom is just great. And there's tons of space behind the back seats too for storage. And this comes right down like that. There's containers behind the back seats that you can close and open. Another awesome feature is with this handle, you can actually recline the back seat back. That's great if passengers want to take a nap. Upper storage compartment with a convenient light. Spacious lower glove box. Feel free to read the user guide whenever you want. You might learn a thing or two. 115 volt AC power outlet. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at the Ram 3500 right now. Heated front seats, and there's two settings for both. This is really nice to have. And also a heated steering wheel. You have your trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, exhaust brake. You can turn off the rear ParkSense parking sensors if you want. Only 91,599 kilometers on this Ram 3500. Good looking instrument cluster with an LCD driver information center screen. If you throw this truck into reverse, the rear ParkSense parking sensors show up on the screen here and will let you know if you're getting close to an object. A backup camera appears on the touchscreen UConnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if you turn the wheel, the guidelines will guide you to where you're going to be reversing. Leather wrapped steering wheel feels great on the hands. Cruise control on the right. Using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through the driver information center screen, and behind the steering wheel you'll find steering wheel mounted audio controls. Allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and more. Automatic headlamps and fog lights. Easily engage the 4-wheel drive. Easy to use climate controls, easily adjust your fan speed, adjust the temperature, adjust where you want the air to go. This does have heated mirrors, air conditioning, your recirculate button there. Touchscreen UConnect with Sirius XM support. There is a very large compass there for you. There's also a very large clock. Outside thermometer. You turn off and on the auto dimming rear view mirror, which is up there. It does have Bluetooth and voice recognition. You can pair multiple devices, make hands-free phone calls, as well as play music off of Bluetooth devices. Media area here, and you can choose how you want to listen to music, because there's also USB and auxiliary ports which you can play music through. So you can choose Bluetooth, USB, or auxiliary, or you can just stick with the classic radio. But if it's satellite radio, then that's not as classic. But still, it's excellent. Reading lamps, also interior lighting, power rear sliding window. Very nice. You now know what it is. It's the 2016 Ram 3500 SLT 4x4 in a maximum steel metallic exterior, mega cab, powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This truck is absolutely fantastic. Come and see if it's going to be yours at Crosstown today. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.